Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Isna Ronawayu Astuti. Now I will present my paper entitled Optical Instrument Basic Literacy Test Measuring Student Basic Literacy on Optical Instrument. The Indonesian government regulates content standard as content in Permendikbud number 21 at the high school level competence in physics subject contains competencies that these competencies are in accordance with basic literacy. Basic learning requires basic literacy to develop students to be involved in physics problem and ideas as reflective citizen. The physics test instrument, the classroom are generally oriented to physics literacy. Then, so this research aim to develop a test instrument to measure student physics literacy skill in accordance with the competence aspect of physics literacy. Research method of the research is use first stage is analyzing necessity of the basic literacy test, then design applet, then developing applet, then expert validation, and then implementing applet to students. The final is evaluating applet. The result and discussion show that first analyzing research stage, collecting several reference about AD, test instrument, and basic literacy, then analyzing of the curriculum material of optical instrument and student was also carried in this stage. Then the design stage, applet has designed based on analyzing necessity material of optical instrument and aspect of physics literacy, and then developing stage, instructing applet design based on the initial design, the suitability of the test component, the accuracy of the theory, and the suitability of the three characteristics of construct, content, and language, and then final at the implementing and evaluating stage, validation expert and the applet was tested on the research subject to measure the validity, reliability, and level of difficulty of the item. Then is quality of applets, so that 10 items validated by 5 experts, so that these items support the validity of the test, validity and reliability analysis. So based on the limited trial, it was found that of the 15 items that were there are 9 items had a very high level of validity, 3 items had a high level validity of there are 3 items had a moderate level of validity, and the reliable and in the limited test was reliable. Difficulty level analysis, so the number 1, 4, 9, and 12 had a difficulty level with the moderate category, while question number 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 13 had a difficulty level with the hard category, while question number 6, 11, 14, and 15 had a difficulty level in the very hard category. Analysis of student basic literacy results. So, based on the data analysis of student basic literacy, it is known that from 62 subjects, there were 4 students met not good category, 32 students access in enough category, and 26 students had a fewer category. The student competent expect of explaining phenomena scientifically was good. However, the student competence aspect of evaluating and designing scientific inquiry and interpreting data and evidence scientifically were lacking. The spot competence aspect need to be improved. The last conclusion of this research is developing process of applet through 5 stages of ADI. Then the test of obtained from applet met the quality of criteria from the good test consists of 15 items of multiple choice question based on the result of trial test. So it is known that from 62 students, there were 4 students who exist in good category, 32 students who include in sufficient category, and 26 students who present the less category of basic literacy. Competence are aspect of student competence in evaluating and designing scientific inquiry and interpreting data and evidence scientifically are still lacking and needed to be improved. It can be concluded that applet is suitable for measuring student basic literacy on optical instrument. And the last, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.